Hi dears, first of all, better to log in our website and share to your friends for more updates. Okay, let's go for this question. See, very interesting question. Observe it clearly. 7 identical cylindrical chalk sticks. Cylindrical chalk sticks. Cylindrical chalk sticks means just like this pen. It can be called as what? Cylinder, right? 7 cylindrical chalk sticks, right? Hi dears, first of all, better to log in our website and wait for the more updates. Okay, observe this question. 7 identical cylindrical chalk sticks are fitted tightly in a cylindrical container. Okay, so we need to arrange 7 identical cylindrical. 7 cylinder means so just like this pen, right? It is called cylinder. Of course, we need to arrange 7 cylinders in a container, and of course container means what? Just like this one, right? It can be called as a container. Container is nothing but it is also in cylindrical shape, but we need to arrange 10 cylinders, 7 cylinders, but height should be same for the both cylinders. Okay, this can be outer cylinder, this can be the inner cylinder, right? So we need to arrange 7 thin cylinders in this big container. Container shape will be in cylindrical shape only, and height of the chalk and as well as the container will be same. Height is nothing but length, right? Length is nothing but height, nothing is there, don't confuse. Okay, right? So we need to arrange 7 cylinders in this one. So of course according to the given situation, but the given figure is reverse, right? Of course we need to put 7 cylinders like this, right? Don't confuse me. We need to arrange 7 cylinders like this, but the figure showing like this, okay? Don't confuse, just for your understanding. The figure showing like this, okay? It is not like this, it is like this. Simple point. So what? Happily we can find the answers, don't confuse. First of all, we need to go for the volume of outer cylinder. Yes or no? If I know the volume of outer cylinder, then I can go for the inside cylinder's value. Of course the height will be same for this both, right? That's why what is the volume? Volume is nothing but the occupied place of the structure. Yes or no? So volume of a cylinder, come on, I can go for the outer cylinder. Let us assume that the outer cylinder radius will be, let us assume that capital R, radius will be capital R for your comfort only. Of course the inside cylinders will be identical. Identical means what? The radius will be same for all. The radius will be same for all. Let us assume that it's small r. The radius of each chalk will be small r only. But I need to go for outer cylindrical value. So outer cylinder value can be, I can assume that pi capital R square. This is a formula for volume for whoop cylinder. Cylinder volume can be pi r square h. Capital R is nothing but outer cylinder, just like a container. Okay, fine. After getting volume, so we need to go for the thin cylinder just like this. Thin cylinder value. What is thin cylinder value? It can be pi small r square h. But logically h will be common here. Don't confuse. The heights will be same, right? That's why h will be common. But if you go for capital R, in this little bit difficulty will be there. That's why we need to convert this capital R value into small r. That's it. Nothing is there. Okay, I need to find the value of thin cylinder. Below thick cylinder or outer cylinder value. That is what? Pi capital R square h. But what is our inside value? Pi small r square h. Right? But what is the relation between capital R and small r? Very simple. What do you mean by r? R is nothing but radius of a circle. Let us assume that it is circle. Radius of a circle, right? So what is diameter? Diameter is nothing but total value, r plus r. That's why don't confuse. Every thin cylinder radius will be same. Yes or no? That's why observe it clearly, all of you. This cylinder radius will be smaller. This also r. It can be smaller, it can be smaller, it can be smaller, it can be smaller. That's why R. How many R's will be there? 6, right? That's why the total diameter of outer cylinder can be 6R. Yes or no? Diameter can be 6R. But I don't want diameter of outer cylinder. I want only radius. Radius means R plus R plus R. Small r plus small r plus small r can be capital R. Simple concept. Okay. It's clearly showing that capital R is nothing but 3R. Nothing is there. 3R. Yes, I got. We have a relation between capital R and small r, right? Happily we can replace this small r, capital R, by small r, 3R. That's it. Okay, what is outer cylinder volume now? Pi in the place of capital R, 3R whole square into height. That's it. Or 9 pi r square, whatever, we don't want. Okay, this is a basic theory we have, but what we need to find actually, so we need to find the ratio of the occupied space to the empty space. Occupied space means what? These values only. I don't want this empty place. I don't want this empty place. I don't want this empty place. How to eliminate this empty place is my perception. Very simple. Total outer cylinder value minus how many cylinders will be there inside cylinders? 7 times, right? That's why we need to multiply the 7 table, right? This it can be what? 7 pi small r square. Why 7 times? Of course height will be there. It is common. Why 7 times? Why? Because we have 7 cylinders, right? That's why we need to find the total volume of 7 cylinders. That's it. Nothing is there. Oh, 7 times of pi r square h will be the occupied space of the outer cylinder. That's it. But I don't want actually what is the question here? Occupied space to the empty space. Oh, we need to find the ratio of occupied space to the empty space. Good. Here we have occupied space, that is about 7 pi r square. But I want empty space. Empty space means what? Outer cylinder total value minus occupied space. Come again. Outer cylinder total volume minus occupied space is called empty space. Come again. Outer cylinder total value minus occupied space is called the empty place of the cylinder. Simple concept. I need to eliminate occupied space. Then we can get remaining, right? The empty space, right? That is a basic concept. That's why I need to go for the values. These values should be subtracted from where? The original value of a outer cylinder. That's it. Nothing is there. Okay. The question is occupied space to the empty space. I want occupied space. Occupied space can be what? 7 pi r square, right? So answer, come on, answer can be upside occupied space 7 pi small r square h. What is your empty place? Empty space is nothing but total value minus occupied space. That's it, nothing is there. Of course, if you multiply it clearly, 9 pi small r square h minus, we need to subtract the above value. Why? Because I want only empty place. That's why we need to eliminate occupied place. To find empty place, we need to eliminate occupied place. That's it, nothing is there. Okay, 7 pi small r square h. Nothing is there. Of course, pi r square h will be common. That's why 9 minus 7 will be 2. That's why answer. Of course, pi r square h will be common, right? That's why no value for pi r square h. Upside 7 will be there. 9 minus 7 will be 2. That's it. Answer 7 by 9 minus 2. 9 minus 7, not 2. 9 minus 7 will be 2. Answer 7 by 2. The best option is what? B. 7 by 2 is your answer. Single step answer, right? But we need to understand the basic concepts now. Outer cylinder can be the total value. In this total value, we need to arrange only 7 cylinders like this. 10 cylinders. After arranging, I don't want occupied place. I want only empty place. Yes, of course, so many empty places will be there. That's why total value minus occupied place can be the empty value. Okay, upside, occupied space, downside, empty space. Occupied space is to empty space is your answer. Make it simple. Don't confuse. I think you got the point. Anyway, my perception is what? Better to log in our website. What is our target? Our target is 2025 GATE-30 marks. General aptitude as well as engineering mathematics. That's why don't forget to share to your friends. It will be very useful to you all.